Hi everyone.
Today we are going to do paper craft activity. Today we are going to make what?
Paper dog.
Yes, paper dog. Then let's start.
We need some paper, color and some scissors.
Okay. Then fold this like this. Then you can cut to that line. You have to cut to this line. You can cut on this line.
Okay. What is this? Two?
Okay.
Now,
Take this.
and fold like
Now it's my turn. Okay, then take it like this. Like this.
Okay.
Then fold like this one corner. This is the ear of the dog. Okay, therefore here you have take the shape like this. No. Here, this is yes. Like that. Good. Then this corner also. Very good. Okay. Okay.
So we need to do like this.
Yeah, you know, like this. Okay. Then if you want to take the dog like this, or if you want to open the mouth, you can take like this.
I will open the mouth.
Okay.
To draw here.
Yeah. That's good. Now this is the shape of our dog. Okay. Now let's color. Then here, Thishee, you can put some dots like this around mouth.
Boom.
Then dogs have this kind of dots, right?
Yes.
You can draw this kind of dots. What is this? Dogs?
Yes.
Yes. Here you can draw this kind of dots.
Look everyone.
Mommy dog and
Baby dog.
yes. During this activity, she improved creativity skills as well as developed their kids' smooth muscle tissue when we are doing this kind of activities. Mommy dog, boo boo boo.
Baby dog. Bow.
Open and close the mouth too.
Yes, we can do like that. We can make some more paper craft to watch your video. See you next time.